Okay, so more parts have arrived for my ITX build, so I will run through what I got. So the first thing is my tried and true 1TB NVMe from Radisk. I will get the price for this, it's on AliExpress. I have tested it and it works fantastically well and is super fast as well. And it's a great price for a 1TB NVMe, FYI. Now the next item, I'm really excited about this one. It's the Flex PSU. So it's like a small size PSU to fit in this, I would say, A4 sized ITX case. It's very small, light, it's 500 watts, which is plenty of wattage for a 6-core 3060 graphics card. And honestly, I am looking forward to just running it and seeing how well it does. The thing I am concerned about is that tiny little fan there. I mean, I could replace it with a Noctua fan as standard like everyone else does. I think I don't know what size fan it is. It's like 40 millimeters, but we'll see how loud that gets. And then finally is the metal fish case that I got. So I am actually really happy with the case. It looks fantastic. It's got this sort of, I don't know, I would like to say MacBook Pro style of metal. It looks really nice and clean. It's very simple. There's plenty of holes for aeration. And there are dust covers, which I think those dust covers might affect the airflow of the ITX case, because with the ITX builds, everything's so tightly fitted. There's not much airflow, if not fans installed. So I might remove the white mesh depending on how dusty the system will get. But overall, I'm really happy with that. It came with a PCI extension cable. It is a PCIe 3.0. So I might replace it with a 4.0 depending on, I guess, performance and how I feel about how the graphics card runs and that sort of thing. But overall, I really like this case and I'm really looking forward to it. As you can see, it is tiny and it's gonna look fantastic on anyone's desk.